Good morning, 8th grade. Today we're going to continue with unit number 6. We're going to study lesson number 5, demonstrative pronouns. We're going to use as a reference pages 315 to 317 of your English book. Let us begin, okay? A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that points out to something, okay? So let's go through a couple of rules. The first one is that a demonstrative pronoun must agree in number with the noun it points out or with its antecedent. For example, if it's singular, this is a mink. That is a polecat. If it's plural, this with an E are minks. Those are polecats. So it must agree in number with the noun it points out or with its antecedent. So this referring to with mink, because there's only one, that referring to a polecat, only one. In the plural, this referring to minks, plural, and those referring to polecats, plural. So let's continue. Now, how can I know the difference? We're going to use this and this in a plural form when the object you're pointing out it's near, okay? And we're going to use that and those when you're pointing at an object that is far. So let's look at this image. This near, this is an apple, but only one apple. This near in plural form, it's near, but we're pointing at several apples, okay? That far, imagine something far away from you, singular, but far away from you. So that is an apple. Those, plural, but it's something far away from you, okay? So we're going to use those. Those are apples, okay? The words this, that, this, and those may function as adjectives or as pronouns in a sentence. When they come directly before a noun, they are demonstrative adjectives. When they stand alone, they are demonstrative pronouns. Again, if you have a demonstrative pronoun that is close to a noun or near a noun, it's no longer a demonstrative pronoun. It becomes a demonstrative adjective. If they are alone, they are demonstrative pronouns. For example, demonstrative adjectives. These cages are small. What do you have before? You have cages, and cages is a noun, so it becomes a demonstrative adjective. These are small. This is standing alone, so it is a demonstrative pronoun. Number 3, you should avoid the expressions this here and that there. This already means that one here, and that already means that one there. If you use this here, you're being redundant. You're saying the same thing. This here and that there is not correct. You cannot use those expressions, okay? So you have to eliminate the here and eliminate the there. Let's go to try it out. Your cookies are much better than. If we're saying cookies and I'm saying over there far away from me, what should I use? Think about it. Exactly. Your cookies are much better than those over there. Number 2, who was on the phone? And the third one is Joseph speaking is Mary. Think about it. Both of them. Number 2 would be who was that on the phone? And number 3, think. This is Joseph speaking. Is that Mary? Okay. I hope you understood, guys. If you have any questions, please use Google Classroom. Have a nice day and a nice week. See you next time.